The PLC control of industrial compressors. We have 4 motors M1, M2, M3, M4, and 4 maintenance condition MN1, MN2, MN3, MN4. And this is the manual auto switch, and this is the oil alarm, and this is the pressure display. The 2 knobs that we are providing, this one is for providing the load pressure, and the next one is to set the oil level. This is the PLC, and this side represents the input and this side represents the output. You can see the wires from here and there going to the system, and this is the communication port, and this is the communication cable which is given to the system through a communication driver, and we can see the monitor the SCADA variation of the model. We can have the manual thing M1, M2, M3. We can see the operations here. We can see the operations M1, M2, M3, M4 glowing in green, which indicates that the 4 compressors are in operation. And this is the manual mode. And next one is the auto mode. Auto mode, by providing auto mode, the compressors will be switching on respectively by varying the pressure. We can see the pressure variation there. We can see the pressure variation in the analog display, and through the consecutive things the compressors are getting on. Up to 4 kg per centimeter square the compressors will be in on condition, and we can see the SCADA display here. We can see the SCADA display here of the 4 compressors, which is in on condition. And next thing is, if the pressure exceeds 4 kg per centimeter square, all the 3 compressors will be in off, only the first compressor will be in operation. This is the maintenance feature. If suppose 2 and 3 motors are maintained, the pressure, if we vary the pressure, the next indication will be to the 4th compressor. 2 and 3, here 2 and 3 is not in operation, so it will not be blowing the light. It indicates that 2 and 3 is in maintenance condition. We can see the maintenance condition by glowing the yellow light here. It shows that the 2 and 3 compressor are in maintenance, which is not rotating, we can see. Thus the 1 and 4 is rotating. Thus this is an efficient method of controlling the compressor. Another one important thing that we have to see is the oil level. If the 4 compressors are in operation, you can see the pressure varying and the compressors will be operation. The oil level is below minimum average, that is the 60. The compressors will be in off, and the red alarm will be glowing, showing that the oil level is minimum. You can also see a representation which is saying that the oil level is low. This is an efficient method of controlling the PLC using industrial compressors. Compressors are controlled using PLC. We can directly give the programming to the PLC, and you can see the representations in it. Thanks.